का गो टू डांस मूव बता सकते हो?
What times I haven't danced, and imagine being a dancer. I can't even think of something. I think we all tend to do that a little. कुछ भी चल रहा होता है सब बोलते हैं वो dance ना, so you'll just like sit there and just do that.
A pinch me moment for you.
I think when I'm on splits, because you'll see also in that video, like they say Priyamada, Shrey, winner, and I'm like. Did they say us? We won, right? We won.
So, a style icon you look up to?
I don't know how many people are going to agree to this. It's a little unconventional. I really like Kangna's style. Hi, this is Priyamada Kant and this is my rapid fire.
Starting up a useless talent that you have.
I can just stare into the wall for hours. मतलब कभी कभी मेरे काउच का डिजाइन मेरे पैरों पे छप जाता है क्योंकि for hours I just keep staring at the wall aimlessly
Without thinking anything?
without just thoughtless, just I zone out.
Oh. One food item you can eat every day?
I think what? Waffles. I order waffles every day, guys.
The
Like,
way her
every
eyes
day.
are shining right now when she said waffles. Your favorite Bollywood movie?
Actually, it's Rang De Basanti. I think it's a beautiful film.
Lovely.
और वैसी फिल्म दोबारा कभी बनी नहीं है और ना बन सकती है.
What
it's
songs also?
One of its kind, and it was also shot in my school, and I was in school when that was happening. So special attachment, but what a film.
Ding 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 ding. One thing which can easily piss you off.
I think people not taking their work seriously. I think even in friendship or work or whatever, like when people are not serious about something, यहाँ चलता है, मुझे वो चलता है attitude नहीं पसंद है.
Okay. Your childhood memory, favorite childhood memory?
Favorite childhood memory, I think I used to have a lot of fun with my parents because I was the only child. So my mom and dad both used to behave like complete children around me. So we used to dance around. So I was very good at sports in school. I used to race. पर वो हुआ इसलिए था क्योंकि मेरे parents मेरे साथ रोज रेस लगाते थे to prepare me for the racing. So I think that's one of my fondest memories of just trying to beat them so that I could win the gold.
How sweet. A style icon you look up to?
I don't know how many people are going to agree to this. It's a little unconventional. I really like Kangna's style. I think Kangna is really timeless.
The airport sari looks.
Yeah, the airport sari looks, and even when she was doing all her Western outfits, they were different, and she carries them really well. So
Also, have you seen Zeerat Aman ma'am's Instagram?
yeah, oh God, yeah, she's killing it. She's
Your favorite trip till now?
favorite trip till now. Actually, I traveled quite a bit. Fifi was really nice because I was just sitting. Oh no! Like I did a skydive in Thailand. I think that's been the highlight of all my trips
Amazing.
and all my adventurous experiences. Yeah.
Well, बैठे बैठे अगर आप हमें आपका go to dance move बता सकते हो?
यार go to. What times I haven't danced, and imagine being a dancer. I can't even think of something. I think we all tend to do that a little. कुछ भी चल रहा होता है सब बोलते हैं वो dance ना, so you'll just like sit there and just do that.
Your dream collaboration looks like?
See, one was Rajshri with Surat sir, so that has happened. Another one is I really want to work with Sanjay Leela Bansali. And yeah, I really hope that works out because I love everything Indian and I'm a trained classical dancer and and that's a world like I really want to be a part of. So I really hope that happens.
बस इसकी रील कटेगी अभी और सीधा जा रही है संजय बंसाली सर के
I
पास.
really hope so. Please tag him.
A song that you're humming these days?
I think Ishq Hai.
Mismatched.
Yeah. Lovely songs, and he's only done the music for Bada Naam Karenge, and that music is also really lovely.
Wonderful. The last show you binge watched?
Last show I'm watching Chahte, which is my show, so I'm binge watching that for now. Not getting the time to watch anything else.
Okay. The coolest thing that you have ever done?
Coolest. I can't, top of the head, I can't. Like, I think skydiving
Skydiving, yeah,
and scuba were fun. Yeah.
One Bollywood couple who's your favorite, but they are married.
Married Bollywood
Yeah.
couple, that's my favorite. I think Genelia and Ritesh. I think they're the most like genuine couple,
Yes.
and it's lovely to see them together, so in love after so many years. I think they're very
दिल की
cute.
बात छीन ली मेरी.
है ना?
A pinch me moment for you.
I think when I'm on splits, because you'll see also in that video, like they
I
say,
know.
Priyambada, Shrey, winner, and I'm like, did they say us? We won, right? We won. So I think that was a little, it was very overwhelming.
Yeah. Are you single?
Ish. I think I'm single till I get married.
Oh.
So I'm always. I think I function better when I'm dating. So I'm never single.
I just love this answer. I'm gonna chapify this everywhere now. I'm single till I get married.
Yeah, of course.
मेरे घर से pressure है कुछ?
नहीं
शादी
के लिए
करो,
कोई
शादी।
प्रेशर नहीं है एंड आई ऑल्सो फील कि प्रेशर खुद को भी कभी नहीं लेना चाहिए बिकॉज आई थिंक मैरिज ऑनेस्टली अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन बट आई डोंट थिंक मैरिज इज अ नेसेसिटी आई डोंट थिंक यू हैव टू डू इट इन लाइफ यू कैन डू इट व्हेन यू फाइंड द राइट पर्सन
Yeah.
and if you feel like you want family and all of that so I mean not like I'm saying I won't but maybe I will maybe I won't.
One मम्मी के हाथ का dish that you love.
Oh, so my mom, my parents lived in Greece for very long, so they make amazing Greek dishes. So my mom makes moussaka, which is like this Greek dish, and मेरी माँ का हाथ का वो खाना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है.
कब आऊँ फिर मैं घर पे जल्दी बताओ.
Please do. She loves cooking for people. Please come.
Wonderful. We'll do a segment with Auntie na.
Yeah, done.
Your ultimate inspiration. Sorry.
I think over the years it keeps changing. I think a lot of people inspire me. It actually started with my mom, to be honest, because she's an artist herself. She's a sculptor, she's a dancer, she's a theatre person. So bachpan se I was working with her with theatre and everything. And the way she's brought me up along with all of that, I think it's very inspirational. Obviously, like I'm a huge Madhuri fan, so I used to watch her videos as a kid and I wanted to dance like her. So she's been a huge inspiration in terms of wanting to become an actor.
Correct.
Yeah.
Wonderful. A YouTuber you binge watch?
So I've started watching a lot of these stand-up comedians. I really like it. I'm watching Samay Rena ka show, and I've just recently started watching Harsh. His one also. So I love watching stand-up comedy. Actually, it's I listen to stand-up comedy while going to sleep. I just put it on my laptop.
Oh wow.
So weird fetish, but I do that.
Do you have any tattoos?
I do actually. I have 2 tattoos. One little butterfly on my ankle that I got when I was like 13 and it was new, so I was like, "मैं cool बनूंगी." So I got that, and another one's actually really special. It's my dad's signature.
Wow.
And I got it when I lost him. I found a piece of paper that had his signature, so I got that copied here, and it's like, oh, he's always
Beautiful.
holding my hand.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
If not an actor, you would have been?
I've always wanted to be an actor. बचपन में मैं बताती नहीं थी because I was like, what if I grow up to be like not so good looking and people are going to laugh at me? But I turned out fine and I became an actor. But otherwise, I would have maybe continued being a classical dancer because I was professionally dancing. I'm an Odissi dancer, so I was doing that. So probably continued with that or gone into filmmaking because I was actually studying filmmaking when I got spotted by Balaji and I became an actor. But then I would have been writing. I also wrote a TV show for Z. So I would have continued in writing and making shows and definitely a part of this industry for sure.
Wonderful. If you were a product, तो आपकी tagline क्या होती?
I think like I don't know. I think I just मेरी टैगलाइन होती कुछ समझ नहीं आए तो हंस दो because whenever I'm like really confused, very angry, very sad, my go-to reaction is just to laugh. Like I feel it sort of controls your system. तो जब भी कुछ awkward लगता है मैं हंस देती हूँ.
Okay. 3 things that top your bucket list.
I think it includes travel. There are a couple of places I really want to travel to. So number one is 3-4 जगह जो travel करनी है वो. Number 2 is working with Sanjay sir. And number 3 is actually, I don't know. I don't really have a bucket list like that. I'm not a very materialistic person. तो ऐसा गाड़ी घर types जो भी है वो काफी है मेरे लिए. I think just be able to like see everyone around me very happy. Like I really care about my family and friends, and I just want them to be happy and healthy.
Cute. Lastly, one thing which can bring a smile on your face.
I think great work and appreciation for work. I'm a sucker for people just saying, "Wow, क्या काम किया है." So I love that, and I think that makes me very happy.
वाह क्या rapid fire किया है. Wonderful. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Lovely having you.
I had a great time. Thank you so much.
Signing off on this note. This is Nikita Bhagwan with cameraman Himanshu in your Films Mumbai.